hell, man? I need some food. Is there anything in the fridge today? Hold on, let me check. Ew. Oh my days, man. There's nothing in this house. What if I check again? What was I expecting, bro? It's gonna be extra food just appearing. No? Some cheating. Okay. One more time. Just one. Just one time. Oh yeah, I mean good today. I don't know. Okay, so what my friends is doing, they hiding food. Like, how's my fridge hide food? Where does that even come from? Oh well. That too. Close our fridge. I mean good today.